Hello everyone, we are here, we are team Green Clean Nature Harmony. This is Brad, the founder of Nature Harmony, and I'm Sabine. And today we would love to talk with you about frequency devices and the beautiful Kat, the CEO of FLS Healing, with whom we will be collaborating in a workshop. And combining forces, bringing together our expertise in frequency devices and harmonizing. We will be facilitating a build your own harmonizer workshop. And you can see here a photo of it. And we will work together with Kat. She will be offering a sound healing, a Rife machine demonstration. So it's going to be a great day of harmonizing your environment.
Yeah, so we just thought we'd teach you guys a little bit about what a nature harmony station is and how we work with structured water, EMF, and harmonizing the body as well as the garden. So a nature harmony station is this guy behind me. It's actually an Orgone accumulator, and it's based off the science of Wilhelm Reich. Now, there's been over 50 years of science on Orgone, and this is a traditional Wilhelm Reich accumulator. It draws in good Orgone energy, amplifies it, and sends it back out to the environment. So what that actually does is it removes stagnation. Where does stagnation come from? From those trails that you see up in the sky, from the geo-engineering, from the HARP, all that stuff that we're all probably familiar with on this group that you guys are on. It's all affecting our natural weather. So what we do is we put more of nature's own energy out there in the form of Orgone, otherwise known as prana or chi, and we send it back out to the environment to bring in more natural balance.
Yeah, and all our devices are based upon frequency to dissolve stagnation. And as Brad explained, so stagnation can come in various forms through the sky, the chemtrails we have, in our environments. And so what we're doing, all our products are to harmonize inside your home, outside your home, and also to help, of course, helping nature to tap into nature's own blueprint, a natural state of being.
So this one that the people get to build in the workshop, you learn how to make it, you learn about Orgone energy, and you go home with one of these. Now this is a 5 to 12 kilometer torus field frequency radius that will be set up in your area once you get one of these and put it in the ground. It's earthed into the ground with copper, and it's in structured water because Orgone energy needs to flow. We don't work with orgonite, we only work with Orgone energy, and there's a reason why we do that. So our website has so much information on it. It's natureharmony.com.au, and you can find the frequently asked questions about the difference between Orgone and orgonite and all of our other products, but I'm going to show you some of the other stuff that we work with. So this one in particular is our activated ceramic babies. Now, these ones work with a resonance and crystal frequencies. There's many types of crystals inside of here that benefit water. They attach to a water line with a cable tie, and they structure through resonance and frequencies. So we make these ones. They're available on the website. Now, the next thing is the world's most powerful Orgone beam. Now this one here is a very powerful concentrate Orgone energy beam made here in Australia, and it pairs up with that device behind me, which is an NHS 2.0. When these two are together, it does 50 kilometer radius. So it's enough to change the weather in a whole region. You'll see more blue skies, actual natural clouds. You'll get more lighter harmonized rain rather than heavy rain or flooding or not enough rain. It just really gets things flowing again in a natural way. And we've been doing this for 3 years, and we've seen amazing results, including getting Norfolk Island out of drought with some of these systems.
Yeah, and also all our Orgone products. So we also use a special mineral mix we use a lot of active ingredients and layers of organic and inorganic. And you will see, and of course we'll explain in our workshop what goes into the Harmony Station. We also use Agnihotra. Agnihotra is an Ayurvedic ritual where you burn cow's poo with ghee. It's an offering which creates prana, the life force energy, and it's the element of fire. And all our products that we hand make in the Northern Rivers here, they all have all the elements. So as you can see, all our products are alive. There is nothing stagnant, as Brad already said, such as Orgonite, where it's in resin. All our products are living organisms and supporting living organisms outside and inside of us.
So here's another example of a portable Nature Harmony Station 3.0. This little guy, he accumulates Orgone energy through the walls because it's natural, inorganic and organic materials. So that accumulates the energy, as you will understand in this book, the Orgone accumulator. It accumulates the energy, and inside is a mineral mix with Agnihotra, other crystals and certain resonance energy materials which build up the energy and send it out. So this little guy sits in 1 centimeter of structured water, and it's a 3 kilometer torus field radius. So this one, once again, when paired up with this, will do 50 kilometers. So this is a great little one to take with you in the car, have with you on your veranda, and remember, put 1 centimeter of structured water inside, which brings me to the topic of structured water. So we are the leading Australian structured water people over here. We work with Randy Hatton, Clayton Nolte, Clearwater Vision, and also Mikiko from
Dr. Emoto's legacy, Peace Legacy, and Michiko was Dr. Emoto's personal assistant, and she is now sharing the information of how important the crystalline structure of water is. And probably a lot of you would have heard about the hexagonal molecular structure of water and how important it is, and in regards to resetting its memory. And Brad's going to talk about it.
There'll be a link below about the science of structured water in our latest YouTube video with Clayton Nolte, but this is a whole house device. Now this has a bioenergy photon field of 630. Now the bioenergy photon field is a way of measuring light or prana. The higher the energy, the quicker the change. So this can detox your body, rejuvenate your cells. It'll make any contaminants or toxins such as fluoride inert, and it won't affect your system. It won't allow for mold to grow. They're self-cleaning, and you don't need to filter. If you have structured water, you don't need to filter unless you have physical matter in the water. So unless you're filtering dam water, for instance, any town water would be structured. It'd be highly charged, full of energy, and as she mentioned, the perfect hexagonal form of structured water, which is 120 hydrogen bond angle. But there's going to be more of that science in the link below. Now, this is one of our most popular things, and it's basically structured borosilicate glass balls.
Yeah, so borosilicate glass balls, they have a calcium deposit right in the center of the ball, that, so if you can see that, and that deposit, it holds a pulse, a quantum frequency, that when you put this ball into your water glass or your bottle, your filter, even in your water tank, it keeps on pulsing, it keeps structuring the water, more oxygenation, better hydration, the water is softer, and there's so many more benefits of it. And also, as you can see with all our products, there is the physical component to it as well as the frequency light component.
Now this is in a ring of 7 balls, and it's what we call a healing ring. Now this is great at removing inflammation on the body, pain. We've got many stories about people removing lumps, pain, all sorts of different things. You can put it on your hips, on your shoulder, and your socks. So yeah, that's a little healing ring that we have. And the portable structuring unit is very popular for people on the go, or they just want to hook it up to their tap. The tap water goes into your glass, fill up your bottles. So we've got whole house unit, we've got the portable unit, we've got the shower unit, we've got the under sink unit, we've got the resonant frequency structuring. We've got many ways to structure your water, including the balls. And there's also many other EMF products that we have, such as the universal chip, which creates an organic overlay of frequency onto your appliances, such as Wi-Fi, computers, cell phones, and so on. And what we're all about is harmonizing. So we harmonize the body, the environment, the water. And Sabine, you want to finish it off?
Well, I'm also an astrologer, and just to finish it off with, also astrologically, we're really in a time of high frequency, and you would all know that, yeah, this is a deal of body frequency. We're bringing it all together. We're resetting to a beautiful blueprint that we came here for, to be the change in the world. And yeah, thanks so much for listening.
Yes,
tuning in.
This is really new earth, ancient but new technology that we're working with, and we love the Rife machines, and we also intend to work with those and integrate it into what we're doing. So yeah, please feel free to check out our website. We're looking for people overseas to have their own experience with our products, and then if you like, set up a distribution over there so we can create more change in the environment. We're already seeing such more natural weather in the areas where we have our harmonizers, and the chemtrails are dissipating very quickly, a better energy for the animals, more wildlife coming back into the areas, and just overall more harmony for the animals and us humans.
Yeah, and keeping our own frequency nicely aligned and pure. And
and there's many other benefits for the land, such as the removal of geopathic stress when you install one of these guys, and there's so much more I can't mention in this short video, but please feel free to go to our website. You'll see our YouTube, and reach out if you want to know more. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.